Hello guys, in this video I am going to show you GTA 5 Lite edition on our Android device guys, which will gonna work on our low end devices guys. Seriously guys, seriously it is looking like a real GTA 5. So guys, this GTA 5 didn't work well on your device using WinLater, then this version might be perfect for your device because it's running on GTA San Andreas Android edition guys, with highly optimized GTA 5 like mods guys, heavily optimized GTA 5 like mods guys. As you can see, everything in this mod is similar to like original GTA 5 guys, as you can see. Then alright guys, so let's see how the full game looks like now. So guys, we are here inside game now. The graphics are super high, as much as your device can handle, and this mod comes with two versions guys. There is two versions available for this mod. So the first one is coming with the full big map, which is available for high end device as well as low end device. And guys, another one is with smaller map guys, and with a smaller map which is only for low end devices guys, and it is the lightest version mod available right now guys. Okay, so as you can see guys, we are here in the GTA 5 Lite version. As you can see, game is running with completely full FPS, 60 FPS stable, without any graphics glitch or any lag and any stutter. As you can see guys, I am using big map version. Okay, there are also so many cheats available like unlimited health, unlimited weapon, unlimited ammos, and you can teleport from anywhere to anywhere. So guys, don't forget to check the pinned comments. I have explained the full installation steps there. And then enjoy the full gameplay guys, it's amazing and full of fun. Have a nice day.
In 246 West Potato, suspect last seen on foot. Every time I break, there's just more pain to bear. They'll never, never, never learn. Till the battle's won and still kingdom come.